Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the ear pads on your Skullcandy Crusher 720. In today's video, you will see ear pads that fit several models. For a full list, you will see it in the description below or on the screen right now. So, let's start the video. Okay, so let me show you how to replace these ear pads. Now I will say this process is a little annoying. It's not hard, but it's annoying because of the way that Skullcandy made the ear pads and the install mechanism on these specific 720, 1080, ANC2 models. But I'll show you a trick that will make it easier. To remove the ear pad, I'm only going to show you one side, by the way, because both ear pads are interchangeable. There is no left and right, so it's the same process on both sides. Okay? To remove the ear pad, you're simply going to hold it and pinch it from here and pull. Okay? This is why it gets annoying, because these ear pads have a little foam disc at the bottom that retains the shape, and when you install it or try to pull it, that foam disc kind of escapes. It's not really firm in place, and that's what makes these ear pads a little annoying to install. Okay, but once you removed it, this is how it installs. You have a backside lip right here, this black piece that you see, and that backside lip goes into this gap. There is a gap right here between the plastic that holds the ear pad and the headphone cup. Okay, now I'm gonna grab our 90s black design. By the way, if you know our ear pads, our cooling gel ear pad also fits this model. So the way we're going to install, as I showed you, it has the same backside lip. The one thing you want to get first is you want to get at least a piece of it. I always try to get the corner on this or the side inside the gap. Okay, you saw how I got a piece of it inside. Now I'm going to hold it with my other hand. And the way I'm going to put the rest of the backside lip inside is I'm going to pinch the ear pad, basically pinch it from here and pull the backside lip inside, okay? The reason why I'm not doing the whole ear pad and pulling it, like if you've seen my other videos, is because that foam disc that holds the ear pad will move around and then the ear pad will be really misshaped once installed. So I'm simply holding the edge where the backside lip is and I'm pulling it to fit inside the gap as I go around. All right, now after everything's inside, you see how it's a little misshaped on here especially. You'll see it more than here. I simply give it a little shuffle like that, and then it retains the shape back. And that is it. This is how you replace the ear pads on the 720. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you in the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.